We've opened up the code testing PKA. What the object is that we're going to implement this particular code that you see on the potentiometer. And so this potentiometer has been slightly modified. So if we open it up, we go to Advanced, and we look at the programming, you're going to see that there are maximum rotation numbers, etc. And so we're going to have to make some changes on this. So the next video shows you, the next section of this video will show you how that happens and how you can do this with checking an individual code. The code testing in the Activity Wizard can also be used to check conditions that exist on the smart devices. What we've created a file in which we need to make a condition that will turn the light on. So when the temperature goes to 5 degrees Celsius, we'll then have the light be turned on. Now this is already an activity, and if I was to do this, and put in the condition, I would simply go here to the desktop, go into the website for the IoT, and of course the default is admin, tab admin. And if we add a condition, and our condition is going to be, we'll say light on is what we're going to name it, and my condition is going to be with IoT1, which is the temperature. If it's greater than or equal to 5 degrees Celsius, then it's going to turn the light on, and it's going to be on to the brightest. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. Now once I've added this condition, let me close this out. you'll notice the light goes on, and you'll also notice that I have passed. I've got 100% completion. So if I check my results, look at my assessment item, you'll see that I have completed my code testing, my condition testing. Well, let's look inside the wizard and see what that looks like. Well, the first thing you have to realize is that when you go to the light, you want to look at what the condition is. So if I go into the programming, you'll see that the condition is, or the state of the condition is right here. So you'll notice here's the states. So the state is equal to 0 or 1 or 2, and so with the light being on high, that's on, that's the condition I want to remember. So then, knowing that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go into the answer tree, and I'm going to go to the code testing, and you'll see what I basically did. I am testing the light. I'm using the temperature sensor, but I'm really going to make my condition to where the light is on. Well, to do that, I'm going to click on edit. So the state, which we know, the state is supposed to be equal to high. Now notice I can change, I can select other items, but I want to keep state because it works. I can make it equal to or greater than. In this case, I just said simply equal, and then it gets to high. That is the, you'll see you could do analog reads as far as the condition goes, etc. But in this case, I want the light, when it goes to high, that then scores. The next thing, of course, I do is I go to the assessment tree, and I make sure that the code testing is checked. And this is why the particular item works. And you can see it's very easy. The key is to look at the individual items that you're going to be checking and look at their script and to see what their states are and what their conditions are.